woke up to this pretty bouquet from my hubby. So because you know my birthday is on 13th and 14th is Valentine's, so every year I get 2 presents. So I don't know what's in this year, but I know we are going to a resort. Maybe that's 1 present, or maybe this one the second one. I have no idea. So let me take you with me. I have to get ready. I have to do my nails, probably my hair, and I need to buy something for him for Valentine's as well. Yeah, let's go with me. On the way.
Turn right to stay on Radad Nazwa.
So we are finally here in the hotel. We just checked in, like we came like 2 hours late. We had a late check-in. Let me show you the room. We come in. First we have washroom here. Here we have a nice bathtub. The toilets. Just a simple toilet. I like it. It's separate, and then rain shower, full size mirror. We have the mini bar, pool view. The rooms are only twin beds. Other side is road view, so we asked to join the twin bed so we can have a nice view in the morning. Let's check whether they have a burglar. Stupid. Can't even see my face. I think that one is the aqua park, but it's closed now these days. So excited to go dip in the pool because I finally now know how to swim a bit. I'm taking lessons so I can at least float, or at least try to be in the pool without any fear. Already dressed up, so we are going to the pool now. Changing rooms. They have separate changing rooms for both. It's too cold outside. Like it's February, but it's too cold still. The water was warm, but not outside. Oh, you got no latte, yeah? We got latte and some spicy fries. It's like huge pool. There's literally no one. Now we are heading back to room to get ready for dinner. He's preparing me a bath. How do I look? Let's go. This is what's the name? Tambra restaurant. Enjoying.
Very much.
I got my most favorite risotto. Let's try the chicken first. More salsa.
How's it? Do you like it?
Salsa is so nice. Chicken is tender.
It's good?
Okay. I
Okay.
had better. I had better.
Happy birthday. And there's one more surprise.
More surprise.
Yes, you will know eventually. Birthday to you.
No, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday to you.
We just came. Like now it's time. What time is it? 10:30. 10:30 or so.
30.
What is it? I forgot what I was talking. So I got the watch connected and all, and okay, wait. How should I? Right, it's working now. So my hands are very tiny. Like, look at the size of this watch. Like, it's going to cover whole wrist area. Which is 49 millimeters, so obviously it's a big one anyway, but I think it's okay. I really like it. So he's already down. I'm going to get some sleep. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning.
Seems watch is bigger than your hand. Watch is bigger than your hand.
Going to breakfast now. It's 8 a.m. They start the breakfast at 6:30, but it was too early for us, so we just came now. Check eggs. This. Oh, I love this one, green spinach. My favorite. Thanks. Full. Potato wraps, shakshuka, usual breakfast shakshuka they have, and this definitely will be, what is it? Yes, awesome. So, here's our table. My plate before I destroy it. This is for both of us, so I don't think it's just for me.
Yes, fine.
station, you can grab coffee from there as well. Cafe lounge. They have a small is it football court?
Yeah.
Like
there's a volleyball court.
yeah, it's very small football court, and here they have a volleyball court. You can use it for badminton. And I saw a basketball court up there. Look at this. So this area is like a villa area. Around whole resort there's this pool going as a stream, like you can access through your villa. Yeah. This is literally a villa. In front of there you have the pool. How cool is that? There's this event going on there. So basically our rooms are there and up here. We have extended the stay, like late checkout. So we are again going back to the pool because the weather is so nice and the pool is also so nice. So we want to dip in the pool again. Finally we are checking out. I got a really bad tan. If you can see, look at the difference. So I'm sad about that, but I enjoyed really well this time because I can swim now. Food is not that much good, but it was okay. Service and everything is nice. Most important, the resort is so beautiful. That's it. We are just heading out. So hope you enjoy my birthday vlog. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.